All right, let's go through this one step by step. So first off, let's figure out what our operations are happening here. So these lines, these little walls, refers to the absolute value. So this is the absolute value of x minus 2. You can't do anything with the x minus 2 until you get this chunk alone. So this is negative 4 times the x minus absolute value of x minus 2 minus 9 equals negative 37. So when you're undoing, when you're using inverse operations to get this absolute value alone, you want to undo addition and subtraction first, then undo multiplication and division. So to undo this subtraction, I'm going to add 9 to both sides. And I'm going to drop everything else down. So I've got negative 4 times the absolute value of x minus 2. The negative 9 plus 9 gives me 0, so that's how we get rid of it. Negative 37 plus 9 gives us negative 28. I'm just going to double check my math there. Yep, negative 28. So then I need to get rid of this negative 4. So because it's being multiplied by that set of absolute value, I'm going to divide by negative 4. On this side, that makes that 1 times the absolute value. Sorry, I said this side and didn't point out. Here, this makes this 1. Anything divided by itself is 1, so that's 1 times absolute value of x minus 2. So we're left with just the absolute value of x minus 2. Stick with my color coordination here. And that equals negative 28 divided by negative 4 is a positive 7. Now this is the spot where an absolute value you have to split to get rid of the absolute value, because whatever is inside of this box, this x minus 2, whatever that is, can equal either a negative 7, because when you take the value, absolute value of negative 7, you get positive 7, or it can equal a positive 7, because the absolute value of positive 7 equals 7 as well. So that's why we're splitting into two equations. So this is going to be x minus 2 equals 7. So that's just my original. And then over here, I'm going to have x minus 2 equals negative 7. Something I want you to notice, what's on this side in that little chunk didn't change. Still x minus 2 on both of them. So the part that changed is that it can equal 7 or it can equal negative 7. And then you solve those separately. I'm just going to stick with the colors. So add 2 to both sides. So x can equal 9. Add 2 to both sides over here. Negative 7 plus 2 is negative 5. So those are my two answers. All right, hopefully that helped.